Yeah.
Concerns the letter C, which has 4 different sounds in English. Firstly, ka, as in cat. C-A-T. Ka, as in cat. Secondly, kya, kya. Half ka and full ya. Kya, kya. As in cute, cute. Thirdly, the letter C has the sound of sha, sha, as in ocean, O-C-E-A-N, sha, as in ocean. And very lastly, the letter C has a 4th sound, and that is saw, saw, as in receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E. So, to recap, the letter C has 4 sounds, ka, as in cat, kyo, kyo, as in cute, half ka and full ya. And thirdly, sha, as in ocean. And fourthly, saw, as in receive. Now, the subjects of this video have been what? The problematic consonant sound pronunciation and spellings of some consonants. The main problem ones, as all are listed here, on page 11, which you can see at the beginning of the video. Page 11, which is written in Roman ABC English script, side by side with Devanagari English script. Devanagari English script, which gives you the exact pronunciation. In the Devanagari English system, you must write the word correctly. If the word cannot be written in Devanagari English exactly, you do not write it. You just do not write it. And you'll see sometimes there on that page in brackets, just a blank, like a brackets and a dash or hyphen and a close bracket. That means you cannot write that English word exactly into Devanagari system. All right, thanks for coming, and there are more videos coming.